Hello, welcome to lesson 2. In this lesson, we are going to look at mean of grouped data. So for us to get the mean of grouped data, we shall calculate it from this expression below. That is, mean is equal to summation of fx divided by the summation of f, where x is the class mark or the mid mark and f is the frequency. Let's look at an example here. So I have this example. The table below shows percentage marks gained in a mathematics test. So here is the data of the marks. And the question is, copy and complete the table below. So here is the table that they want us to complete. But first of all, we shall copy it into our books, and then after that we shall complete it. And then after that, the other question is, they want us to find the mean mark. After copying and completing this table, they want us to find the mean mark. So let us copy. So here we have it. Here we have it. We have tally, frequency, mid-mark, fx that we need to get. So first of all, we need to tally. So I'm going to retrieve the other data, the data that we have here. And then we are going to use this data to get the tally. Then we shall use the tally to get the frequency. And then the mid-mark is got from the class. And then f of x will be got by multiplying f times x. So let's start by getting the tally. Let's start by tallying. So let me pick a pen here. So we are going to do the same thing that we did in the previous lesson. That is, we are going to circle and then tally, circle and then tally, in order for us not to leave any data untallied, or not to repeat any tally. So we have 43, which lies in the class of 40, 44. And then we have 40, which lies in the class of 40 to 44. And then we have 49, which lies in the class of 45 to 49. And then we have 80, which lies in the class of 80 to 85. And then we have 76, which lies in the class of 75 to 79. And then we have 46, which lies in the class of 45 to 49. And then we have 60, which lies in the class of 60 to 64. 55 lies in the class of 55 to 59. 58 lies in the class of 55 to 59. Then we have 55 lies in the class of 55 to 59. 75 lies in the class of 75 to 79. 79 lies in the class of 75 to 79. Then you have 70 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the class of 70 to 74. 74 lies in the cla 83 lies in the class of 80 to 85. 82 lies in the class of 80 to 85. 56 lies in the class of 55 to 59. 67 lies in the class of 65 to 69. Then we have 63 lies in the class of 60 to 64. Then we have 67 lies in the class of 65 to 69. Then 63, which lies in the class of 60 to 64. And then we have 69, which lies in the class of 65 to 69. And then we have 53, which lies in the class of 50 to 54. 73 lies in the class of 70 to 74. Then we have 61 lies in the class of 60 to 64. 48 lies in the class of 45 to 49. 58 lies in the class of 55 to 59. So we complete this band of 5. And then 60 lies in the class of 60 to 64. We also make this band of 5. And then 75 lies in the class of 75 to 79. 73 lies in the class of 70 to 74. Then 69 lies in the class of 65 to 69. Then we have 77, which lies in the class of 75 to 79. So we complete this band of 5. And then 62, which lies in the class of 60 to 64. Then you have 66, which lies in the class of 65 to 69. Make this band of 5. And then we have 54, which lies in the class of 50 to 54. And then we have 53, which lies in the class of 50 to 54, lies in the class of 50 to 54. Then we have 63, which lies in the class of 60 to 64. Tell it there. Then we have 73, which lies in the class of 70 to 74. Have it there. Then we have 49, which lies in the class of 45 to 49 here. Then we have 59. 59 lies in the class of 55 to 59. Shall place it there. And then lastly 78 lies in the class of 75 to 79. Have it here. So we are done with tallying. What we now need is to count the tally, and then after that we shall be positioned to have the frequency. So we start by counting. In the first class we have 1, 2. So we shall have it there as 2. Then in the next class we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall have 4 there as the frequency. Then the next is 1, 2, 3. Frequency is 3. The next is a band of 5 plus 1, that is 6. The next is a band of 5 plus 2, that is 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 5, a band of 5, so this is 5 as the frequency. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so we shall have 4. Then here a band of 5 plus 1, which gives us 6. Then lastly we have 1, 2, 3, so we have the frequency as 3. So we have the frequency. Now let us also get the mid mark. So here, for us to get the mid mark, recall that for us to get the mid mark we get the lower class limit plus the upper class limit divided by 2. So you can get your calculator and we work out this together very fast. So we shall have 40 plus 44 divided by 2, that is 42. Then next is 45 plus 49 divided by 2, that is 47. The next is 50 plus 54 divided by 2, that is 52. The next is 55 plus 59 divided by 2, that is 57. Then we have 60 plus 64 divided by 2, 62. The next is 65 plus 69 divided by 2 will give us 67. The next is 70 plus 74 divided by 2, that is 72. The next is 75 plus 79 divided by 2, that is 77. Then lastly 80 plus 85 divided by 2, that is 82.5. Yeah, so we have that. Then lastly we are going to be getting fx, that is f times x. So we shall multiply 2 times 42, get your calculator, 2 times 42, that is 84. Next 4 times 47, that is 188. Next 3 times 52, that is 156. Next 6 times 57, that is 342. The next is 5 times 62, 434. The next is 5 times 67, 335. Then still continuing, we have 4 times 72, we have 288. Then 6 times 77, that is 462. Then lastly we have 3 times 82.5, which gives us 247.5. 0.5. Yeah, so we are done with filling the table. Now we want to get the min mark. For us to get the min mark, we need to get the summation of fx divided by the summation of f. So we need to sum the f. So we are going to sum the frequency here. So get your calculator again. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. That is 40. Then you also sum here. That is summation of fx. We need to sum the fx. We get 84. Get your calculator. 84 plus 188 plus 156 plus 342 plus 434 plus 335 plus 288 plus 462 plus 247.5, and that is giving us 2536.5. Yeah, so we have got the summation of fx and then summation of f. So now let's get the mean using the formula summation of fx divided by summation of f, where summation of fx is 2536.5, and then summation of f is 40. So when we divide the two, we shall have, using your calculator, try out this, that is 2536.5 divided by 40, and that is 63.4. That is to one decimal place. Yeah, so that's how we get the mean using this formula of summation of fx divided by the summation of f. In the next lesson, we're going to see how we can get the mean using the assumed mean, or what we call the working mean. Yeah, so thank you for your attention. We meet in the next lesson.